Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomials. The goal of this video to factor trinomials, and remember, factoring is the reverse of multiplication, and multiplication is the reverse of factoring. For example, 1 times 6. If I multiply 1 times 6, I get the number 6. And also, if I multiply 2 times 3, also I get 6. If I ask you to factor 6, you can factor 6 to either 2 times 3, or you can factor 6 to 1 times 6. When I multiply two binomials, x plus 3 times x plus 4, I get trinomial x squared positive 12, and the middle term became 7x. If I ask you to factor this trinomial, you're going to factor it back. This is to two binomials, to x plus 3 times x plus 4. We need to factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. X squared means first time first, means this is x times x. And the last term is 6. I'm supposed to factor it to 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. 6 is 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. If I add 1 plus 6, I get 7. If I add 2 plus 3, I get 5. And this is the sum. Which two number give me 5? This is 2 and 3. When I add them, I get 5. Meaning I'm going to choose 2 and 3 here. What is the signs here? Because the sign for the last term of positive, this is two sign must be the same, both negative or both positive. Because the middle term is positive, means these two signs are positive. To check my answer, I have to find the inner terms. The inner terms, which is 2x. The outer terms, which is 3x. This is the inner terms, and this is the product of the outer terms. When I combine them, I get 5x. Means my factoring is correct, because the middle term is 5x. We move to the next one. This time I have x squared instead of plus 5x is minus 5x. Means x and x here. 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. I choose 1 and 6 or 2 and 3. The middle term 5 means I choose 2 and 3. Okay, because the sign of the middle is negative, means both sign is negative. To check my answer, this is negative 2x, the product of the inner terms, and this is negative 3x. If I combine them, I get negative. I add 2 plus 3 is 5x. This is the same middle term here, okay? Means my answer is correct. Move to the next one. I have x squared plus 7x plus 6. Means here x and x. I'm going to choose 1 and 6 or 2 and 3 here. Because the middle term 7 means I have to choose 1 and 6. Because 1 plus 6, I get 7. The sign if the middle is positive means both signs are positive. Okay? I have to check my answer. This is the middle term, which is positive 1x. And this is the outer terms, which is positive 6x. When I combine them, I get positive 7x. 1x plus 6x is 7x. The middle is positive 7x means my answer is correct. Move to the next one. Here the sign is negative. Here x and x. We need to be careful. The sign for the last term here positive, which is positive 6, means this is two signs must be the same. Both positive or both negative. 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. The sum is 7 here and the sum is 5. I choose 1 and 6 because the sum here is 7. Because the middle term is negative, means both signs to be negative. Because when I multiply last time last, negative 1 times negative 6, I get positive 6. Let us check our answer. This is the inner terms. Negative 1 times x, I get negative 1x. The outer terms, I get negative 6x. This is addition. When I have the same sign, the sign stays negative, and I add the variable. Here 1x and here 6x became 7x. The middle term is negative 6, 7 here, and here is negative 7. My answer is correct. We move to the next one. X squared means x and x here. Here is positive 12. The sign is positive, means both signs must be the same. Both positive or both are negative. Because the middle term is negative, means both must be negative. 12. 1 times what? I get 12. 1 times 12. 2 times what? I get 12. 2 times 6. And 3 times what to get 12? 3 times 4. Please go in order. 1, 2, 3, and so on. The middle term 7, I'm looking at the two numbers here. When I add them, I get 7, which is 3 and 4. And I'm going to write 3 and 4. The sign here is negative, means both signs are negative. Okay. Let us check our answer here. This is the product of the inner term is negative 3x. The outer term, which is negative 4x. When I combine them, the sign stays negative, and I add 3 plus 4, I get 7x. The sign of the middle term here, negative 7x, means my answer is correct. Please, this is your homework. Try it in your own. And if you have any question, write it in the comment below. Thank you for watching.